talking about being financially secure in this world. That's all I'm talking about. Positivity, baby.
It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. I know I have been I activated ghost mode, and I activated ghost mode because I just needed to unplug from the world. I think a lot of people do that anyway. So I'm still working on content for the world, because that's good.
But what I really think, you just need to be in the studio.
No.
Get the studio, go to the studio with the tracks and go flow, freestyle.
See, even if I make, cause I plan on dropping me a music video, just cause I like to make music, but I feel like I need to have the quality, cause that's where I like to do this. So this right here, I'm at Motor Style by Wix, TK, thank you. So this right here, these memory card things, they all do different things, and I clicked on this guy's video just to do research on it. I'm not gonna really give him a shout out because he already got a lot of people following him, but it's important to learn about memory cards, especially when you're using GoPros, cameras, anything that requires a memory card. You need to understand why you need to use that memory card and what does it do. You know what I mean? So with that being said, it's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West. This is just a little, I guess, something in between, because I don't know when I'm gonna make another YouTube video. As always, it's your boy, I'm in the building. I'm out. Peace. All that good stuff.